What's up YouTube, it's Louis here bringing you today's cryptocurrency video on Firo. I'm doing this on my phone because I'm currently uploading some videos on the laptop. I don't want to disturb that, so I'll upload it on my phone. It's actually a little life hack over here. It's actually quicker to upload YouTube videos on your phone than on your laptop or on your computer. So let's get on with the Firo update. We can see that we're having some sort of falling wedge over here, just like this. You did break out to the upside, you did meet a technical target, $6.50. So Tottenham team sheets out of games in about an hour, so I might not be able to get too many videos out to you guys, but I will try and get some. I've got an hour to make some videos basically. So if we were to break out of this, we would actually come back to $6.50. That is your technical target out of this falling wedge. You can see that we are respecting it nicely over here multiple times, respecting resistance multiple times and support again. So what this is actually telling me is that these lines are correct. So although they're slanted downwards, they are acting as support and resistance basically. A downtrending channel or falling wedge. That's what I believe it is. So if we can come up above this 20 EMA, I'll confirm that as support. You could be putting in an inverted head and shoulders, shoulder, head, and then a shoulder over here, holding that 20 as support. Or it could be that you reject it and then put in the right shoulder. I would like to see them in similar levels, so somewhere around $4.59 to $4.49, the right shoulder. If you can break above that 20, then we would have a target at the 55, which is like our double brick wall, correct? And that's just above the resistance. So technically speaking, you could come up to this and get rejected, and we do put in a lower low. And we will go through some more targets in a second to the downside. But if we can come up, hold that 55 as support, we would have a target minimal to the 200 EMA. So basically, if you can confirm the 20 as support and then come up to the 55 and hold that support, we would have a target to the 200 EMA roughly at $5.40. So that's what I'm seeing for Firo right now. Of course, if we come up to the 20 or even just to the wicks over here and get rejected, put some wicks to the top, it means that it will drop. Wicks to the top, it's going to drop. Just like you had wicks here, wicks to the top, up, it's going to drop. Just like this massive move over here. When we went up, wicks to the top, it's going to drop. So this is the saying that I've come up with over the years. So especially at resistance, that's what I mean basically. So of course we lost the one. You put in that reversal wave after losing the 618. We were expecting a bounce from here. We did get it. We just got rejected. That's the issue. Sorry about the text message. I'll reply to Abby in a second. But yeah, we've come down now. We lost the one, created that reversal wave, and so we should be heading to minimal, that 1618. Now, the reason I put a box in, I have this purple line, is because if we do zoom out a little bit, and zoom out, I might have to zoom out a lot actually. Oh gosh, I can't see it. I have to zoom out a bit more, go on the daily, see here it is. So this line, this purple line, is the 0618, $3.86. If we want to see targets to the upside in this bull run for Firo, then we must hold this purple line. If we lose this purple line and close below that, that is so negative for Firo. We might even be putting lower lows than the bear market bottom if we were to lose that 0618, because technically speaking, a target would be that 0786 at $1.39. So for me, that's of course a bear market for Firo, but I wouldn't believe that Firo would go into a bear market without Bitcoin doing that. So for me, it's still all on Bitcoin, and that's why, yes, I know Firo is so ugly on the monthly time frame. It's putting in lower lows. It did close a lower low. It's nice that it closed on $5 exactly. Month's still open right now. Could it be that we do come down to here, get a wick, and even close above $5? That would be amazing to see, because really, guys, it's this area, this white box. So $4.75, $4.70 is minimal, like where we must, like $4.70 basically is where we must close above for the monthly time frame. Otherwise, we will be coming down a lot further, as I've just shown you for Firo way down here. Lower lows, lower than the bear market low. So that's very negative. That's something that potentially wouldn't recover, in my opinion. But that's just only my opinion. It might be completely wrong. But yeah, we need to start seeing moves to the upside. I do think that we are going to come down more, especially if Bitcoin, watch that video, is going to 37k. But please watch my videos on Bitcoin, guys, because to be honest, in dips, I do not even look at the alts. I only look at Bitcoin. And I've said this multiple times in the past, but everyone wants updates on the alts. Of course, I understand that completely. I'm not even personally in Bitcoin. I will be buying in the bear market at least one Bitcoin, but literally, guys, the only coin that matters is Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin is still bullish on monthly and weekly, then all your other coins will eventually be bullish. But of course, we are now expecting, if we can't hold this 1.272, and because we are below the one, technically speaking, we should come down to that 1618, which is also lining up with that larger 0618 at $3.73 to $3.86, and that is what I'm seeing for Firo. We could even drag this out even more, and you can see that potentially we will even come into that area, as you can see with that falling wedge. Go back to the 4 hour, see if it's still respecting the lines. Let's draw that nicely for you guys. Yeah, that's a bit better. So yeah, we're in this falling wedge, or this descending channel, potentially all the way down to this technical target. We could even just lose the low, come down to here, get back inside, confirm the insider support, maybe at that 1414, maybe have a little capitulation to the 1618, get above the 1414, inside the falling wedge, confirm that support, double bottom here, and eventually break out of here, start heading back up. Because I do think if Bitcoin is going to drop to 37k, everything will capitulate one more time. Perfect, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And as always, peace.